home page. And if you want to access the ebook first, remember you have to log in, okay? Log in as a member or sign up as a member. And then you click the interactive ebook. You can either click ebook 1, 2, 3 directly, or welcome to check our kids ebook. It's fun too. Or you just click interactive ebook on the menu bar. And you will see a video here. It's loading. Okay. This is a video, and I recommend you watch it so you know how to use the ebook to improve your listening or even the speaking, because typing pinyin is really reinforce your pronunciations. So I find out lots of problem from the answers when the students typing. So it's remind me in the pronunciation part, we need to pay attention on many points. And if you never use the ebook, you can click try it now. So you're gonna access all the plan we have, including the live class. It's on this page. Okay, so you can apply a $0 ebook trial. You don't need to pay anything, but you can only select this once. After that, you can formally enroll ebook monthly plan or purchase them for lifelong. You only need to pay one time. If you keep scrolling down, you will see all the packages, including our live online class. So far, we're doing all the things online here. Okay, you can check later. And after you're done with all of this, you can click ebook 1. So you will see table of contents. So each lesson, let's say lesson 1, you will have 课文1 and 课文2. So 2 dialogues. This is dialogue 1, dialogue 2. Okay, so totally each book you will have 30 courses. And today we're gonna work on 课文1 and 课文2. So let's click go. You have to click the button go. You can't click the picture or here. It won't work. Only click go. So now you're accessing this course. If you want to study a new lesson, watch the movie is the first thing, because the movie is explaining everything you need to know in this lesson. So if you don't have time to do the rest, at least you watch the movie, the video. And you can move on after you watch the video. You will see the dialogues. You click the audio button, you will hear the audios. Dialogue. A. 你好. B. 你好. Okay, I would recommend you use this part to follow the audio, read loudly, not just listen it. Follow it, read loudly, and make sure you can hear yourself. Okay, and the second line here is supposed to be the slower speed for the dialogue. This is the normal speed, but this one is slower speed. In the future, if you are learning something more advanced, you may want to hear with the slower speed. In this lesson, it's very easy, just a dialogue 你好 and some vowels and consonants, okay? And the next one is the new words. You can play to hear every new word. 好. Yeah, this lesson only have 1. In the future, you will have around 10 new words each lesson, or even more. Here is about every character. You click, you hear every character's pronunciation. And this is the one you may want to print it out. Download the worksheet for practicing characters. You click it, and you see the worksheets here. It's showing you writing orders of the character, and you print it out, and you can practice writing on here. This is only for practice writing characters. And what we're gonna do today, close this, is the test. So this is how you scan your learning result for each lesson. So doing a test is very important. I know there are so many apps right now in the world. You can use them to have fun, to study like in the beginner level, but Beautiful Mandarin Interactive ebook aimed for learning deeply, upscale your level. So it's not just a very short sections, courses. So I recommend that every time you do the BM Interactive ebook, you leave yourself 30 minutes to 1 hour. Okay. So really do the serious learning, not just have fun with several words. Okay. Now you click go. You're going to go to the page for tests. Because for the speed, I don't want the website is too slow. So I put 6 tests on one page. So pay attention. Each page you will have 6 tests. And you have to read the title to guide yourself to the right test. Okay, don't do the wrong one. So this is the part you can practice your reading and to find out which test you are looking for. Okay, so on this page, we totally have 3 lessons. Each lesson have text 1, text 2.